Hair loss is no longer your destiny. Today, we're following 32-year-old Rohan's hair transplant journey. Using the FUE technique, we transplanted 2,900 grafts to his frontal area. How will his hair transform? Let's find out. 12 days after the procedure, the scabs are starting to fall off and the scalp is healing. There's a bit of redness, but that's completely normal. The transplanted hairs are now settling in, and here we are at month 1. The first tiny hairs are beginning to emerge. They may look thin and weak right now, but this is just the start. The hair follicles are now active, and from here on, the growth will only improve. At month 3, we can already see a noticeable difference. The first transplanted hairs have started growing longer, and the frontal area is beginning to look fuller. The hair is still fine and not at full strength yet, but the transformation is picking up pace. And now, month 6, Rohan's hair looks much more defined. The density in the frontal area has significantly improved, and his hairline is taking on a natural shape. The final result isn't here yet, but things are looking great already. This is the moment we've been waiting for. By month 9, Rohan's hair looks completely natural and healthy. The density in the frontal area is fantastic. FUE hair transplantation delivers amazing transformations. Curious about hair transplants? Thinking of starting your own hair restoration journey? Drop a comment below. With Estanove, natural and long-lasting results are within reach.